Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I want to talk about an extraordinary woman who has never let anything hold her back. Despite being born without arms, she has accomplished more than most people could ever dream of. Her name is Jessica Cox. Jessica is a true inspiration. From a young age, she refused to let her disability define her. Instead, she focused on what she could do rather than what she couldn't. With incredible determination and unbreakable spirit, she set out to achieve her dreams. Jessica learned to use her feet as hands, and with this skill, she has achieved incredible feats. She is a certified scuba diver, a black belt in Taekwondo, and even a licensed pilot, the first person without arms to achieve this feat. Flying a plane was a dream of Jessica's since she was a child.
Well, it's pretty obvious that I don't have arms, and that was from birth. I was born this way, and my parents to this day are not certain as to what caused it. But as a result, my body adapted to using my feet for everyday things, from eating, riding, to turning a doorknob, and now flying a plane with my feet.
Flying a plane was a dream of Jessica's since she was a child. She refused to let her disability stop her from pursuing this dream, and with years of hard work, she accomplished what many thought was impossible.
When people see me, they immediately look at the fact that I don't have arms. And I think there's a parallel with the way people see challenges. They immediately see either the difficulty or the impossibility. We're actually early for once. I never felt pity for myself. That was one thing I never did. I felt angry and I felt frustrated about my birth condition. There wasn't a specific moment for me when it turned from being an angry, frustrated girl to a woman with confidence. It was just a journey. It was little things that happened along the way. The first day of 8th grade, I was 14, and I decided to give up my fake arms, which I wore to school for 11 years. But the moment I made that decision to leave them behind and finally accept who I am, that for me was a huge step to understand that it's not about how people respond to me, it's how I carry myself.
Jessica's achievements have earned her numerous awards and recognition from around the world. She has become an inspiration to millions of people who faces challenges in their own lives. Jessica uses her platform to inspire others to overcome their own challenges, to never give up on their dreams. Her story reminds us that with hard work, determination, and positive attitude, anything is possible. Jessica is an inspiration to us all. Her story is a testament to the human spirit and the power of perseverance. We can all learn from her example and strive to be the best version of ourselves, no matter what obstacles we may face. So, as we come to an end of this video, I want to leave you with this final message. Keep pushing yourself, keep challenging yourself, and never stop striving for greatness. You have the potential to achieve amazing things, and I can't wait to see all the incredible things you will accomplish. And that's a wrap for Opus Maverick. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep striving for great.